thunderstorm warning for Northern Ocean County in
I hope you don't, just something to let me know. Oh, so we're going to be gone for...
Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 7:15 p.m.
The National Weather Service in Mount
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Jackson, Howell, East Brunswick, Marlboro, Manalapan, Kitten Falls.
siding, trees, and power lines is possible.
This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 9,
Asbury Park,
Interstate
Lakewood,
195 in New Jersey between
Bridge,
mile markers
Jackson,
5 and
Howell,
34,
Brunswick,
Garden State Parkway between mile markers 84 and 117.